Hello lovely family and friends, a warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well by God's grace. So today's recipe is my ultimate chicken gravy. Okay, this gravy is amazing, it's delicious. Okay, it's gorgeous, it's fully loaded, right? You love it. You can pair it with anything of your choice, anything. All right, so yes, let's get into this video and let me show you how I made this delicious stew. But please, don't forget to like this video. Please just hit the like button. And if you're new here, welcome. And please consider subscribing to this amazing family, because we are kind, we are considerate, and you will love it here. First of all, I'm going to put together some spices, okay, to make our dry wrap for the chicken. Okay, so I've listed all the things I am putting together by the side for you, so that I don't have to bother mentioning them, or when I'm mentioning them, it's easy on my brain and I can remember. Anyway, so I just combined all the ingredients, okay, mix it together, and that will form our marinade. Okay, so here is my chicken. Today I'm using just chicken drumsticks. Okay, so I'm going to score each piece of chicken, right? And this is nothing fancy, just find one side of the chicken and cut it. Actually, I'm using drumsticks and chicken thighs. Okay, I just realized it, right? So once that is done, I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil. You can sprinkle any oil you have, it doesn't have to be olive oil. I have lots of olive oil, so that's why I use it, right? So yeah, I rub it in the chicken, every part of the chicken, to make sure that it's all coated with the oil before I go in with my dry rub. Okay, so yeah, I just mix everything together, and that will be it. What I'll do next is just cover it. So if you noticed, I didn't use all the dry rub. Okay, I didn't use it, everything. I reserved some for something else, so you know. So I covered it with a kitchen foil and I let it sit in my fridge to marinate. Okay, so we'll put that aside and then we will tackle the next one, which is our chicken pieces. Okay, so this chicken pieces is made up of chicken thighs. Okay, so I took some of the thighs, remove all the fat, remove all the bones, and then I slice it into pieces. So I added the rest of the dry wrap to it, and I'm also letting it marinate. Okay, so here are the rest of our ingredients. I have some chopped onions and some chilies, okay, ginger and garlic, right? I also have some of my B10 then chopped tomatoes, right? I also have some more onions, red and green pepper, right, for the end, and then some more spices. Okay, this is calabash, nutmeg, star anise, and minced herbs. Okay, that's what I've just showed to you. And here is rosemary, ground anise, thyme, and then some vegetable bouillon, right? So yeah, so the next thing is to chop our ingredients, right? As I mentioned, we are going to be making gravy, and gravy, the ingredients, the aromatic, most of them, I mean, like, they are very chunky. Okay, so I've put all of them together, and then I am just chopping them. So instead of blending for it to be smooth, I'm just chopping them. I want it very rough. Okay, so it's not going to be smooth at all, and this is the consistency we are looking for. It's like so right, so set that aside, and I add some vegetable oil to my pot, right? I let it heat up, and I go ahead and add my chicken pieces. Okay, so I'm going to fry this, and when I feel like it's ready, it's cooked. Okay, so I wasn't looking for a golden color per se, I just was looking for it to cook. So as that is frying, our chicken is going to go into the oven. All right, so I'm going to put it on my baking tray, and it will go into the oven as we cook the stew. So by the time the stew is ready, the meat is also cooked, and just add it to our stew. And I'm also saying multitasking. All right. So this is our chicken pieces, and it is fried nicely. It is actually now fried nicely, and I am taking it out, okay, and setting it aside, right? So in the same saucepan, the same oil, I add my chopped onions, or my sliced onions actually, okay? So I'm going to fry this a little bit, not a lot at all, because we are making gravy. We are not going to let everything fry and fry and fry like we fry everything, okay? So as soon as it's a little translucent, we'll add in our chopped peppers, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of onions, okay? So that's what we just added right now. And then goes in my B10, okay? So this is B10. No, this is not B10 actually. This is B14. I don't even know. One of them. Yay. Assembly. Right. So what it is majority of my B10 will be in what we chopped. So I believe this is B14. My confused. Confusion. I confused. It's okay. It's okay. I believe it's B14. So yeah. So I've just added my. But the key thing is I believe it's B14, because there's no way I'll add B10 and also add and also add friends and ginger and garlic again. Otherwise, a bit double salansa. And I'm going to say anyway. Now we've put our tomatoes in, it's cooking, and we just checked on our chicken, right? Just say I ate late in the commentary. Right. So I've come back in to stir my stew, my gravy, and it's looking good. So I'm just adding my spices now, the one I showed you. I don't need to mention all of it again. And here I decided to add Maggi cube, and here what I'm adding is nutmeg. If you follow me on this channel, you know that stews, nutmeg, Samira, they are best friends. Actually, we are family. Actually, we are triplets. And Ganesa triples. Triplets. So I've just added some salt to taste, okay? A little salt, little by little here, because we have salt in the chicken, we have salt in this one, the one we are grilling, and this one as well, or baking. Okay, so here's the time my chicken pieces go in, and I give it a stir. At this time, if you're I'm sentinel, and it's ready. Again, I ready. You see that I've put in the green and red pepper. Just I ready. All that is going to go in now is the chicken, right? So here is the chicken, nicely baked, and we are just going to shove it into the stew. We are not going to put it in to cook it or anything. It's already cooked. Our gravy is ready. All that we do is to shove it in for the juices from the stew, and the chicken will marry. Just say, holy matrimony. Ombe wale fe. So, baby. Anyway, so just give it a stir. So I'm the just say per se a chicken no, and a fry no. Omo male, a person omo male, omo wale, omo wale. Matia say, not just say, I had the otia or real to me say, I did a juicy. And I must say then, must add very juicy. So that is it done. It's super. And I served it with my ultimate delicious coconut rice. Okay. So I have some 2022 videos that I need to share. Just say, I didn't ask me if I say I spy. So I'll be sharing all my 2022 videos for you. Okay. You know what? You people are amazing. I love you guys. Just say, I don't want to say it, but I love you guys to the max. Thank you for always joining me and supporting me, watching my videos. Don't forget to like this video and share, okay? Like it and share, right? And I am very grateful. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.